speaking as an old person and one who falls a lot, I'm, aware of those sort of situations. And I think it is about spreading the word, and we can help each other not to be embarrassed about it, but to share our information, to share knowledge, and that's what's been happening today, to make us aware about those slippy carpets and silly shoes that people might wear so we don't fall over, to make us aware what we should do when we have a burn, perhaps when we spill tea or coffee on ourselves, to make sure, if we're choking, we can help somebody else as well. It's not about ourselves, it's about helping others as well. This is why it's setting us up well, to do what we can to help each other in the rural areas.
First aid is not always about blood, is not always about CPR. Most of the times it's just having somebody in control of the situation. And we hope that we brought that to people's mindsets and to feel them more relaxed. So like, I'm actually able to make a difference for someone.
Classes like this are really important to, everybody, but particularly older people. It's to give them the confidence to act if their friends, partners or neighbours have an accident. It's brilliant that they're introduced to the defib machines before they have to deal with it in an emergency situation. And we're really grateful to Daycare and to South Gloucester Council for supporting this initiative.